Right now, somewhere in your kitchen drain, inside your bathroom pipes, deep in the slow-draining sink you keep meaning to fix, a colony is breeding. Drain flies, tiny, moth-like, relentless. And the pest control industry will charge you anywhere from $150 to $400 to come to your home, spray something that smells like a chemical factory, and tell you to call them back in 2 weeks when the flies return. But there is a $1 powder sitting on a shelf in almost every hardware store in America that kills every single one of them overnight and eliminates the infestation permanently. The industry has known about it for decades, and they have had every reason in the world to make sure you never found out. The pest control industry in the United States alone is worth over $26 billion. That number did not come from innovation. It did not come from developing better solutions. It came from repeat business, from customers who call back every few months because the problem never truly goes away. Because when a pest control technician shows up and treats your surfaces, sprays your walls, lays a few sticky traps near your drains, they are not solving your problem. They are managing it. There's a staggering difference between those two things, and that difference is worth billions of dollars to them every single year. Homeowners across the UK and America are being robbed quietly and systematically. Not through fraud, not through illegal practice, through deliberate misdirection. They treat the symptom, they ignore the source, they collect the check, and they leave you with a drain that will be crawling again within a fortnight. But that changes today. By the time this video is finished, you will know exactly what drain flies actually are, where they truly breed, and why every conventional treatment you have ever tried has failed, not by accident, but by design. You will know the name of the $1 powder that destroys their entire life cycle in a single application. You will know how to use it, where to buy it, and what to do the morning after to confirm it worked. And I will also show you the one critical mistake that causes this method to fail completely. A mistake that almost everyone makes, and that the industry quietly counts on. Stay with me, because the next part changes everything. To understand why this solution was buried, you have to understand how drain flies actually survive. Most people assume they are fruit flies. They are not. Drain flies, Cicada alternata, to use their scientific name, are a completely different species. They do not breed in your fruit bowl. They do not come in through an open window. They breed inside the gelatinous, organic biofilm that coats the interior walls of your drain pipes. That dark, wet, decomposing layer of grease, soap residue, hair, and organic matter that accumulates just below your drain cover, that is their nursery. A female drain fly can lay up to 300 eggs directly into that biofilm. The eggs hatch in less than 48 hours. The larvae feed on the biofilm itself, and within 2 weeks, you have a new generation of adults crawling out of your pipes. This is why spraying the walls does nothing. This is why plug-in devices do nothing. This is why the traps the pest control company leaves behind catch a few adults while hundreds more are already hatching 3 inches below your drain. The solution was never about killing the flies, you can see. It was always about destroying the environment that sustains them. And as far back as the early 1980s, independent researchers and sanitation engineers working in commercial kitchen environments already knew this. They had already identified that a specific naturally occurring compound applied directly to the drain interior would break down biofilm at a chemical level, destroying the breeding layer completely. That research existed. It circulated in trade publications. And it was quietly ignored by an industry that had no financial incentive to adopt a permanent one-application solution. And this is where it gets interesting. Because what I am about to show you is the part the industry spent decades making sure you would never find out. Not because the solution is complicated, not because it is dangerous, but because it works permanently. And a permanent solution, in their business model, is the one thing they cannot afford. The compound is borax, sodium tetraborate, a naturally occurring mineral salt that has been mined and refined for over a century, used in laundry, cleaning, and industrial sanitation. A standard 76-ounce box costs between $5 and $8 at Walmart, Target, or any hardware store. Enough for dozens of treatments. The reason borax kills drain flies where everything else fails comes down to a single mechanism. It does not simply poison the adult insects. It chemically degrades the biofilm. It disrupts the gelatinous breeding layer at a molecular level, breaking down the organic compounds that the larvae depend on for survival. With no biofilm, there are no eggs. With no eggs, there are no larvae. With no larvae, within 24 to 48 hours, every adult fly currently in your home dies of natural attrition, because there is nothing left to return to, nothing left to breed in, and no next generation waiting to replace them. Think of it this way. Conventional pest control is like mopping water off the floor while the tap is still running. Borax turns off the tap. And once you understand how simple the application process actually is, you will wonder why you ever paid a professional to do anything less. Most people who have been watching this long are the kind of people who are done being taken advantage of. If that sounds like you, consider subscribing. Not for the videos, but because what gets shared here is the kind of information that used to require knowing the right person. Now back to what you came for. Begin by purchasing a box of 20 Mule Team Borax. This is the most widely available form in the US and UK, sold under the same brand, and it is pure sodium tetraborate with no additives. Do not purchase boric acid instead. It is a related but different compound, and it does not have the same biofilm dissolving properties. Once you have your borax, do not apply it yet. The first step is preparing the drain, and this is where most people fail. Take a stiff bristled drain brush, available for under $3 at any hardware store, and scrub the interior walls of the drain opening and the drain pipe as far down as the brush will reach. You're not trying to clear a blockage. You're physically disrupting the upper layer of biofilm before the borax goes in, giving it direct access to the deeper organic material. After scrubbing, pour a kettle of boiling water slowly down the drain. Not a fast pour, a slow one. Let it coat the pipe walls. This loosens the remaining biofilm and opens the surface for the borax to penetrate. Now take half a cup of borax powder and pour it directly into the drain. Follow it immediately with just enough warm water to wash the powder off the drain cover and into the pipe, no more than a quarter cup. You want the borax to coat the interior walls of the pipe and sit there. Do not flush it with a full pour of water. Do not run the tap. Leave it overnight, a minimum of 8 hours. This is the window in which the borax works its way through the remaining biofilm and destroys the breeding environment. In the morning, flush with hot water for 30 seconds. Here is the critical warning, the mistake that ruins the entire process. Do not use bleach before or after the borax application. Many people assume bleach and borax together must be more powerful. They are not. Bleach creates a chemical reaction that neutralizes the borax before it can penetrate the biofilm. This is the step the internet gets wrong almost universally. Borax alone. Nothing else in the drain for at least 12 hours either side. Before wrapping up, there's one more thing about borax that almost nobody talks about, and it is the detail that separates a one-time fix from a permanent solution. Borax also functions as a larvicide at concentrations far below what you used in the drain, which means that a light monthly maintenance application, just 2 tablespoons, no scrubbing required, creates a continuously hostile environment in your drain that prevents biofilm from reestablishing in the first place. This is not a treatment. This is a system, one that costs less than 10 cents per month to maintain. And it is the reason that once people switch to this method, they never call a pest control company for drain flies again. Consider what you were paying before. A single pest control visit for a drain fly problem averages $175 in the United States, closer to $120 in the UK. And because the treatment addresses adults rather than the breeding colony, the average household calls back within 6 to 8 weeks. Over a single year, that is potentially 3 to 4 visits. Anywhere from $500 to $700 spent on a problem that borax eliminates for under $8. But the financial comparison only tells part of the story. Think about the results themselves. After a conventional treatment, you might see a reduction in adult flies within a day or two. By day 10, they are back. Because the larvae that were already in the biofilm when the technician visited have now matured into adults. Nothing was done to the source. Nothing changed below the drain cover. With borax, the sequence is different. On the first morning after the overnight treatment, you will notice a dramatic reduction in adult flies, often complete elimination. That is because the adults currently in your home emerged from a breeding environment that no longer exists. They have nowhere to return to lay eggs. Within 48 hours, the remaining adults die. There's no second wave. There's no next generation. The infestation ends at the source, not at the symptom. Homeowners who have used this method consistently report that a single application, followed by monthly maintenance, keeps their drains completely clear for years. Not weeks. Years. That is the difference between a solution and a service contract. Here is what you now know that the pest control industry spent decades hoping you would never piece together. Drain flies do not live in your home. They live inside your drain's biofilm. Every treatment that ignores that fact is designed to fail. And a naturally occurring mineral that costs less than a cup of coffee destroys that environment permanently, at a chemical level, with a single overnight application. That is the truth they buried under $26 billion worth of repeat service calls. But the drain fly is not the end of this story. It is the beginning. Because the same biofilm that breeds drain flies is responsible for something far more serious lurking deeper in your pipes. Something that pest control companies and plumbers have an equally strong financial interest in keeping you ignorant about. The slow drain you have been ignoring. The smell that appears after heavy rain. These are not separate problems. They are symptoms of the same source. And what lives inside that source will cost you far more than $400 to fix. Unless you already know what I'm going to show you next. The question is not whether it is happening in your home. The question is how far along it already is.